Good morning again, everyone. I took astronomy last semester, and this has always been an interest for me. So I really enjoy researching about planets. I believe the most similar planet to Earth is Mars. Mars's day is very close to ours in terms of time. The Martian day is just over 24 hours. 24 hours, 37 minutes to be exact, and ours is actually 23 hours, 56 minutes. Mars also has an axial tilt close to ours. Mars is about 25 degrees off-center and ours is 23.5. Mars also shows signs that it once had water. From recent Martian missions, we learned that there could have been water as recent as 2 billion years ago flowing on the surface of Mars. There were rocks found that also show signs of liquid water. Radar images has shown that a liquid lake underneath the solid ice caps on the southern hemisphere of Mars. Because of Mars' axial tilt, it also has seasons just like Earth. With the tilt of the rotation of Mars, the summer for the southern hemisphere is much hotter than the summer of the northern hemisphere. Mars also has canyons, craters, volcanoes, storms, and ice caps just like Earth. With possibilities of water at one point, the possibility of life is an option. I read a while ago that there was belief that humans came from Mars originally. More than likely false, but if there was water there 2 billion years ago, you never know. Those are where the similarities end. Mars is roughly half the size of Earth with a diameter of 6,779 kilometers, and the much larger Earth clocks in at roughly 12,742 kilometers. Earth is obviously closer to the Sun at a distance of 150 million kilometers, and Mars is 213 million kilometers away from the Sun. Mars' year is also much longer than ours. It takes Mars 687 Earth days to travel around the Sun, and ours is 365. This means Mars has seasons almost twice as long as ours. I wouldn't mind the summers to last almost 170 days, but the winter lasting the same amount sounds horrible. Let's talk about the atmosphere of both planets. Most know here on Earth we breathe 77% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. Mars' atmosphere is almost 95% carbon dioxide. Without signs of life or plants on Mars, the carbon dioxide cannot be converted to oxygen. Mars' temperature is also much colder than Earth. Mars averages negative 81 degrees Fahrenheit but goes as low as negative 220 degrees Fahrenheit. I did look up, and Earth's average temperature on the planet is 57 degrees Fahrenheit. It almost seems if we could pump some water and plant some forests, Mars could be a smaller, livable Earth. Super cold, but still probably possible. Could this be an option if we continue to destroy our planet?